In today's video, I'm going to show you how to borrow games on Steam and also how to make sure your progress is safely saved using Steam Cloud so you can access your game data anytime. Steam has a built-in cloud saving system that automatically stores your game progress online, which means if you switch computers, reinstall a game, or log in from another device, your saves can download instantly. A lot of players don't realize this feature needs to be enabled in the settings and sometimes inside each individual game as well. So in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting, how to enable it, and how to make sure your game saves are properly stored in Steam Cloud. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam and PC gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the very top left corner of the window and click on the option labeled Steam. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open the main Steam settings panel where you can control different features of your Steam account and client. Inside the settings window, look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen and find the option labeled Cloud. Click on Cloud to open the Steam Cloud settings. Here you will see an option called Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications that support it. Make sure this box is checked. When this setting is enabled, Steam will automatically upload supported game save files to your Steam Cloud storage so they can be downloaded later if needed. After enabling Steam Cloud globally, the next step is to make sure the feature is enabled for the specific game you want to back up. To do that, close the settings window and go to your library inside Steam. Your library shows all the games connected to your account. Find the game you want to use with Steam Cloud. Once you locate it, right-click on the game title and select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open the game settings panel. Inside the Properties window, stay on the General tab. Look for the option that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for this same. Make sure this option is enabled. When this is turned on, Steam will automatically upload your save date to the cloud whenever the game supports it and whenever Steam syncs your files. This means your progress will be safely stored online and can be downloaded again if you install the game on another computer or log into your Steam account somewhere else. If you ever reinstall the game or play on a different PC, Steam will automatically download the saved data from Steam Cloud the next time the game launches, allowing you to continue right where you left off. This makes switching devices incredibly easy and prevents you from losing progress if something happens to your computer. And that's how you enable Steam Cloud and make sure your game saves are backed up and ready to download whenever you need them. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.